So the encounter is called Zul Reborn.
Yeah, but why is Rastic here?
Because he's a bitch.
That'll be in the
Fair
next
enough.
raid.
2, 1.
Charge sideways.
Darkness
fast.
1. Pull number 1, 2.
Oh, the pressure.
Debuff on the Crusher. Kill the Crusher.
See, I bounce between Krogs there.
I did that. That was me. I just happened to have that Krog targeted. I don't know why, but... Pull number 3 soon. In like, oh wow, 5 seconds, my bad. Pull number 3 by orange.
Minion Zuls.
Nope.
Push the boss phase. Nice deeps, nice deeps. Second pots, get on the Crusher.
Kill the Crusher, everyone on the Crusher.
Everyone on the Crusher. Nice job. Focus the
Clean
boss.
up, boys.
Focus the boss.
Yep.
Use your health stones if you're low. Pull number 5, pull number 5, pull number 5.
It's right in front of them.
Pull number 6 in 5 seconds. Pull number 6.
You can talk.
Got it.
If you're on, Ricky. And Buffy.
Pull number 7 soon. Pull number 7 in 5 seconds. Pull number 7 in 5 seconds.
You ready?
Thanks for your tonsil.
Pull number 7 by the Hexers. Pull number 7. Nice job, nice job. Nice grab. Nice grab.
Oh, you got him.
Yeah, ready.
Pull number 8 soon. Pull number 8. That's you again, Soap.
Anyone take the pool.
I'll get it.
Uldir.
I'll get it.
It's okay, only...
I'm off.
Pull number 9 soon in 7 seconds. Pull number 9.
Hexers up, you guys will heal.
And good job, boys. Good job, boys. Good job, boys. Good job, boys.
Let's go, boys!
Woo!
Yes!
Easy.
Yes!
Fucking.
Holy shit.
That was my worst pull too. Oh my god.
Yeah,
you need those braces.
I'm fucking done! Oh my god.
Alright, I got bracers if anybody wants them. They're
I
not that
want
big.
them.
Great.
Can I go play Minecraft now?
No.
Crazy, I'm taking your bonus loot, please.
Just for all.
Spec Kappa. In exchange for all of your
Damn, like, would you got both of those?
How you need that?
Dude, that was my worst pull too.
That would carry until Conjure killed it. Wait, was it 100 on that?
No.
Yeah.
Combo, I
Just
actually
under. I think it was like
do,
98 or
you know,
99.
They're the same eye level.
Alright, guys.
You killed
Nice fucking job on those last phase of pools. Every single one of you. Fucking Soap, Liquids, Duffy, Ez. Like, you fucking guys kicked ass on those fucking pools. Vire, I saw you step in to cover it until one of the guys came back and you swapped right out. It was fucking perfect.
Did any of the rogues get anything that they
can't
add
trade it.
to a main? Oh, you're right.
Because they're all low ass item level.
Yeah. Wait, I can't trade the wrist. It's 385.
Yeah.
Fucking crazy. Got the shoulders.
All right, Dark. We got 40 minutes. What are you thinking? Mithrax.
Black Temple. Black Temple.
Oh no!
No.
Oh my god, gee,
Not
fucking
good.
Creator.
Dude, we got a pool in! Yeah!
To be
I want-
honest with you,
I
I don't
want you guys
have
to pull it.
I don't have the
The setup.
for Mithrax since it changed last night.
We can, I mean, we can base a
I
strat
want-
around
I-
the
I don't know if everyone saw the
I
change.
want
The
you
change
to
is
get-
that
I
orbs
want-
don't spawn on melee anymore. So
Okay.
Can I get off my shadow breeze now?
Do you have the rough draft wizardries?
I had the old one. Not with their names, but it had everyone's icons on it.
I want you to do just a few pulls on it so everyone knows what we're up against.